So hello dear students. So from today we are going to start the first chapter of your science, and it will be for class 6th students, and the name of the chapter is food. Where does it come from? Food, where does it come from? This is the name of the chapter. Okay, so at first we will know about why do we need food. If I ask you, why do we need food? Why do we need food? Okay, can you tell me why do we need food? Yes, we need food for our daily living. We need food for our subsistence. Suppose if you do not need food, if you do not have food, sorry, if you do not have food, will you survive? No, we will not survive. So food is essential for our daily living. Food is essential for our daily living. If you do not eat food for 3-4 days, for 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, what will happen? Suppose if you not have been given food for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, so what will happen? We will not survive. Okay, if you want to do any work, you need energy. And how will you get this energy? You will get energy by consuming food. You will get energy how? By consumption of food. So that is why food is very essential. Okay, so if question is why do we need food, so answer will be we need food. We need food for our daily living. We need food for our daily living. Okay, we need food for subsistence. We need food to do work also. How? Because if you will eat food now, you will get energy. If you will get energy, then you can work. Are you getting this? So that's why food is very essential. Okay, that is why we need food. Okay, now next thing we are going to discuss number 2, and it is what? It is basic elements. Basic elements for food production. For food production. What are the basic elements for the food production? If you want to produce any food, if you want to consume any food, if you want to consume dal, if you want to consume chapati, if you want to consume rice, if you want to consume idli, and if you want to consume dosa, okay, so what are the basic elements required for that? Okay, so there are three basic elements. There are three basic elements for the food production, and the first one is the availability. The first one is availability. The first one is availability. Availability means, suppose this is India. Let's say this is India. This is the map like this. This is India, suppose. Okay. So now, suppose you are going in this coastal region where Kerala, Tamil Nadu, etc. These are the states which are lying in our south region. Okay. These are known as the coastal region. Suppose if you go to the coastal region, so what is the most available food here? Answer is rice. You will get rice. Rice will be easily available there. Where? In this coastal region like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Odisha. So rice will be easily available here. Okay. So if you want to consume idli, dosa, which are the products of rice. Idli, dosa are formed from the rice. Okay, so if you want to consume idli or dosa, so you can get these sort of food items easily in this coastal region. Why? Because rice is easily available there. Are you getting this? Now suppose you go to the central part of India. This is the central part of India, this part. Okay, so what is easily available there? Here wheat and maize. These are easily available food here. What? Wheat and maize. Okay, wheat and maize. So means if you are in the central part of India, so you will easily what will be easily available here? Here you will get dal. Here you will get chapati. So these sort of food, staple food, or these sort of food items are easily available there in central India, because this dal, chapati, etc., these all are made up of wheat, maize, pulses, etc. So these are easily available in central part of India. Now suppose you are there in central part, Punjab, like Delhi, like etc., okay, the central part of India, and you want idli dosa. Will it be easily available? No, because rice is easily available in coastal region. So idli dosa is easily available here. Okay, it will not be easily available here. Are you getting this? Yes. So first basic element for the food production is the availability. So in the coastal region, in the coastal areas, what is easily available there? Rice is easily available there. So what will be the staple food there? The staple food will be idli, dosa. So these will be the staple food in this coastal region. Now suppose if you move to the central area of India, like here, central India, this is the central India. So if you are living here, so what is the most easily available food there? So you will get here wheat, you will get here maize. Okay, so these are the easily available here. So what will be the staple food? Staple food be like dal, will be like dal, chapati. So these will be the staple food of the central area of India. Are you getting this? So first basic elements for the food production is the availability. Okay dear. Now next is the temperature. Next one is temperature. This is another element which is required. Temperature. So what is this all about? Suppose if you want to grow rice, you want to grow rice. Okay, so for the production of the rice, which type of temperature you need? You need a moist environment. Suppose for the production of rice, you need which type of environment? You need moist environment. Which one environment you need? Moisture. You need moist type of environment. This one environment you are going to get in the coastal area environment, like this, humid, like. Okay, so this type of environment is the most moist environment you are going to get in the coastal areas. That's why rice is easily grown here. Okay, why the rice is easily grown here? Because the environment is favorable here. Moist environment, the coastal areas is having the moist environment, okay, or the stampy environment. That is why the rice is easily grown here. You cannot grow here wheat. Suppose if you want to grow wheat in the coastal areas, it will not be grown easily. Why? Because wheat or etc., these kind of food required some which one temperature? Required some higher temperature, required some hot environment. Okay, so for the production of wheat, maize, this required hot environment. Which one type of environment? Hot. Wheat, or you can take maize. So this need hot environment. Okay, this need hot environment. This need hot environment. This need moist environment. Okay, are you getting this? Suppose if you want to grow wheat or maize, so for the growth of wheat and maize, you need hot environment. Okay, so hot environment we are going to get where? In the central part of India. This hot environment you are going to get in the central part of India. That's why wheat is grown more and more in more and more amount in where? In Punjab, like in Haryana, like. So there you are getting more and more amount of wheat. Why? Because the environment is hot there. Are you getting this? Yes. And the rice is grown in the coastal areas. Why? Because the environment is moist environment there. Because rice needs moist environment to be grown. Are you getting this? And wheat and maize need hot environment to be grown. Are you getting this? That's why these type of food items are grown in different parts of India. Are you getting this? Next thing, the third element for the production of food is the living condition. Next one is the living condition. Let me erase this. You note it also. Okay, you have to note this complete in your notebook. Okay. Next thing is what? Third, number three I am going to discuss now, and it will be the living condition. Number 3 is living condition. Number 3 is living condition. So, no, suppose you are going to the Antarctic region. Antarctic region, there is very cold environment. There you are going to get all throughout the year, you are going to get there snow. Okay, so will you grow their wheat? Not possible. Will you grow their rice? Not possible. So what will you eat there in the Antarctic region? Yes, you will eat there the animals and animal products, like the flesh of the animals, like the milk of the animals. Okay, so these type of items you will get there in the Antarctic region. So this is the living condition. So living condition, this tells that which type of food you will eat. Okay, like you are going to the Antarctic region. So Antarctic region, which type of food you will get there? You will get there flesh of the animals. Means you will get there animals and animal products. Okay, animals and their products. Animals and their products. So this will be the food item easily available there in the Antarctic region. If you want to eat dal chapati in the Antarctic region, so how will you get this dal chapati in the Antarctic region? Why? Because there throughout there is snowfall. So how will you grow their wheat? How will you grow their rice? So that's why animal and animal products are there easily available in the Antarctic region. Are you getting this? Are you getting this? Yes. So this is how, these are the three basic elements which we have discussed for the production of food. Now the next important things we will discuss in the next lecture. First you note it. Okay then, see you.